Hi guys, this is PB Lucas and welcome to my channel. In our previous tutorial, I've shown you how to download image using URL and URL session. Today, what I'm going to show you is how to cache that downloaded image for later use. The approach is quite simple. First, we're going to create a cache and save that image to that cache. And after that, we're going to retrieve it and display it in our app. So let's start. First, we're going to declare our cache. So let cache image is equal to NSCache, NSString. This will be our key, and UIImage is our object. Next is we're going to create a class of cached image view with UIImageView as its parent class. Next is we're going to declare a private key for our image key of type string. We will give it a default value of an empty string. Next is we're going to create a function fetch image from URL, taking two parameters, URL string of type string and a completion block. Let's put it at escaping string UIImage. It's going to be optional, and error also optional, and we'll return of type void. Next is we're going to copy and paste this part of the code and change the image source to our URL string parameter. Next is we're going to get the file name and use that as our image key. So image key is equal to URL last path component. Then we're going to check if our image is already in the cache. So if let image cache or cache image, or sorry, image is equal to cache image object for key, image key, and we're just going to set the image of our cache image view to the image that we just fetched and return. If not, we're going to save our UIImage in the cache. So let's type in cache image set object for key, our image, and the image key. There's an error here. It should be as NSString, like so here, as NSString, and change this part of the code. Okay, put in self. Now we're going to remove the reference in our storyboard and change the class to cache image view. Then we must change the outlet to cache image view. Go back again to our storyboard and connect the outlet to our new image view. So now, if you want to download the image, you would just invoke image view, fetch image from URL string, and we will pass in the image source. This is the name, image, and error. For now, we haven't yet invoke our completion handler. Let's try doing that. So we will call the completion using completion image key. So the image key, image, and the error is nil. So instead of printing the error, we will pass the image as nil and pass the error. Like so. In this completion, we will pass the image key, image, and the error will be nil. Okay, now it's time to test our app if it's working. We will remove the breakpoint here, then run the app. Okay, let's test our app by tapping on download image. So here's our image. To test if we are really fetching the image from the cache, we're going to put here print image from cache. Let's run the app again. And tap on download image. Here in the debugger, you see that the image is being returned or retrieved from the cache. The purpose of having a completion handler is for us to have a mechanism of notifying if a process is already done or completed. So let's print an image here notifying that our process is done. So type in done. Let's try to run the image. The app. So as you can see, the first time we download the image and we're done with it, it's going to display or print a done message. The second time you tap on download image, it will fetch the image from the cache and display the done message in our console or debug console after all is done. If you find the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is PB Lucas. Thank you for watching.